guys. So I need some suggestions for how to destroy a microwave. So come on, can my sister just shut up? All right. So the rules are only one comment per person. Don't pose multiple suggestions at once. No complaining if your comment doesn't get featured. So yeah, and don't put stupid suggestions out. No stupid suggestions. No suggestions that will get me into legal trouble. Make sure I can actually understand your comment, and please speak in English. So yeah. I'll be accepting until Saturday, so get commenting.